Hey guys, I'm gonna make a quick TA on NIO. It's Tony over here. Unfortunately, NIO is testing, retesting the 45 mark and the 44 price range on the upside, which is not good. The day chart is bearish. The 4-hour chart is bearish. It's still bearish. The hour chart is about to get bearish, and for the 30-minute chart, it's about to break bearish also. I do think as of right now, I probably wouldn't buy into NIO. I think I would wait to see how it plays out. I think my next buy-in, if I were to actually buy in, would probably be back at $38, around $38, $39 or so. Do I think NIO is gonna go back down? Honestly, yeah, I do think I'm more bearish on bullish on NIO right now, as opposed to like anything else, because Tesla has been mooning like crazy and NIO unfortunately is not following it anymore. Before, we can see that NIO was actually trailing Tesla's move. Tesla has been moonshining for the last couple of days. NIO has stayed stagnant, been trading flat, and it's not following Amazon. I mean, it's not following Tesla anymore. So just based off that, I'm getting more and more bearish on NIO right now. Long term, you know, I am bullish on NIO long term. You guys can buy. I would recommend buying NIO at any price point. I do think China is wholeheartedly supporting NIO, and they do have a huge you know, smog issue. They do have a big climate issue. China is one of the worst countries with the worst smog in the whole world. So they are definitely pushing, you know, they're definitely pushing for electric cars 100%. But as far as, you know, short term on NIO, I am kind of weighing a little bit more on NIO going all the way back down to 39 bucks as opposed to hitting new all-time highs, right? Just strictly on TA. I mean, it does look like the 4-hour might break onto the bullish side, but even then, I mean, last time we were this bullish, last time we hit the bullish side on the 4-hour chart, we didn't really move all that much. I mean, we moved maybe from 46 bucks to 56, which is about $10. If we do cross that 4-hour time frame tomorrow, we have to see how it plays out. So if the 4-hour actually gets crossed on NIO, and we moonshot, and when we go back all the way up to like all-time highs, then 100% I'm bullish again. But if, you know, the 4-hour MACD gets crossed on the bullish side and we kind of consolidate around this level and we start trading sideways flat 45, 44, then 100%, once this 4-hour gets crossed again, once the 1-hour gets crossed again, we're going back down to 39 bucks. And this is kind of basing the theory that NIO is no longer trailing Tesla, even though Tesla is hitting, you know, astronomical new highs, and pre-split the price is already over $3,000. Like, we already hit over 600 bucks. I already talked to you guys about Tesla a while back. You know, I called the run up to 460 and I just said, you know what, keep buying calls because this thing's gonna moonshot all the way to 600 bucks. And guess what? It did. But yeah, NIO, as far as right now, I wouldn't place a trade right now. I'm more bearish than bullish, and more than likely, depending on this, how tomorrow and maybe Wednesday play out, if we do trade sideways for, you know, tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, I do think we're going to see another drop down all the way to $39.